Memorial Day. Hope you're wearing your red, white, and blue. And have I got a drink for you? This is a special signature cocktail. It's a blueberry coconut blizzard. This is superfood conscious drinking. And if you don't drink alcohol, just have it virgin. Get fresh coconut, take out the coconut water, put it in the blender with the coconut meat, blend that and make your coconut milk. You're gonna add vodka and your blueberries. You could have frozen or fresh. Ice cubes in the blender, make a frothy drink, blend to perfection, pour in a tall glass. To save some room on top, I used a coconut cream. You could either put whipped cream or a coconut cream. Pour your chocolate syrup on top. I made my own homemade chocolate syrup with raw cacao and organic maple syrup. Here's looking at you, baby. Happy Memorial Day. And don't forget, who's better than you? Oh my God, you're gonna love this.